Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Monday, the 13th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Well, looking forward to this morning. My goodness me. Whoa, preparations. Here we go. And we're there. Rock and roller. Right, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness me. Coin BTC Segwit protocol down to $24,000. Crikey, it's almost hitting low as 23. That is huge. Oh my goodness. Well, a huge drop, that is. As much as we saw this coming and we've warned people about it, you know, it's still calamitous when it happens. You can sort of feel the vibe in the air from all these shitcoiners who didn't really know what they were doing. You know, it's not about dollar worshipping. It's about how many Bitcoin you've got. And BTC is an economically worthless security offering. It's not Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original protocol, the world's only digital commodity. And it now has the ticker symbol BSV because the powers that be want it that way to confuse people. Oh dear, oh dear. So again, Coin BTC Segwit protocol security offering, Bcrash security offering because they're deleting transaction data means it can't be used as money. Fisher Price Cash, an absolute joke. And here we are with Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed. It's just scaled massively. So we've got price $45. Absolute bargain. Hash rate though 0.18, network nodes 0.5, transactions though 67.73, that's climbing steadily, and block size 98.94, absolutely huge. Remember, these are data management networks, no data flowing on the chain, no use case. It's the transactions that upload the data. It's the nodes who process the transactions. They provide the hash rate, which again hashes the transactions, and the hash rate is attracted to the price. So everything stems from the data flowing through the chain. Can you see what's going to happen? Look at that. That price and the hash rate is sustained by nothing. There is nothing on there. BTC is a ghost chain, just like all these other, you know, shitcoins, for want of a better word. Alright, let's have a quick look at these blocks coming through then. So huge blocks here, 406 megabytes, almost a gigabyte block there. I had seen some other figures earlier where I think there's like a record-breaking block that had been mined, but we'll have a look for that in just a second. Oh, in fact, we will look at it now. I found it here. I think it might be this one, mined 20 hours ago by unknown miner. Look at that. Look at that. And the reason I'm bringing that up is because, here we go. The scaling test network is reporting a block size on the mainnet of 4.1 terabytes. That's blockchain size. Oh, my mistake. Sorry about that. So it's 3.7 gigabytes. I mean, there's no record-breaking block. All right, never mind. Let's carry on. So hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Oh yeah. Proof of work by network, again, it's all coming across to the original Bitcoin protocol because Coin BTC had the digital signatures segregated from the transaction data on the 24th of August 2017 by Blockstream, who then took all of Bitcoin's fundamental value away from it and changed the protocol fundamentally, meaning it's now an economically worthless security offering. It's currently 8,439 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coin. Equal profitability. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network. Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block. Bitcoin winning. Fees USD. Yeah, sort of like that. We want those coming down. Fees SirToshis. That's all right. Fee to block reward ratio. We want that going up. Look at this. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. If you want to know what the price is going to do soon, there we go. Where is the size of the network now? 4.08 terabytes. Absolutely huge. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Coolcoin BTC and other mining pools isn't even on there anymore. You know, again, I mean, these guys are going to get absolutely wrecked. All the gear and no idea, unfortunately. Bcrash, again, I mean, what a joke. We've got other miners on there just keeping the profitability at bay. So you've got to be really stupid to mine something like Bcrash. Fisher Price Cash, again, Hathor on there doing, you know, just keeping the mining profitability at bay. And this is Bitcoin looking very competitive there, even very, very good indeed, very healthy. So if you're wondering what the mining network looks like, let me just show you. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. This is what a mining farm looks like, a data processing plant. Absolutely huge. Absolutely staggering. Amazing. All doing proof of work. Cracking SHA-256. Right, let's have a look at the short positions. Look at this price crash. Oh my good lord. Where are we now? Look at that right down the bottom. Oh, it's just bumped, just bounced up a little bit. Come on, let's get the bottom. There we go. Short ratio 88%. What a joke. What a $44 is what it touched down at. That is ridiculous. That's crazy. That's crazy. Short positions going up. Oh dear. Let's have a look at BTC. I mean, look at this price crash. This is horrendous. I don't think I've ever seen BTC drop that low in such a short space of time. I mean, that is epic. That is epic. Let's have a look at BitInfo charts. Here we go. Bitcoin now at 17.6%. I think it was around 22 yesterday, but crypto fights just creeping back online. Beautiful. Here we go. Chainalytics. Look at this. Bitcoin now block size 190 average megabyte block size. Absolutely staggering. Staggering. Compared to Coolcoin BTC 1.1. I mean, crikey Moses. That's getting close to like less than 0.5% is what it's getting close to. Oh my goodness me, 0.5% of the block size of the genuine Bitcoin. And remember, all of these other protocols are all economically worthless security offerings. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to say this, but the only data protocol with any economic value is the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, which is BSV. That is it. That's why you can see it scaling massively. Scaling test network, yeah, we just looked at this one, 4.1 terabytes in sizes. Actually, yeah, that's about right. What's on chain? Good question. What is on chain? Estimated next block size is 3.56. We have had 632,199 transactions over the last 24-hour period. Let's look at this gargantuan wallet here. Look at this, 903,862 genuine Bitcoin in there. That is going to be one of the wealthiest wallets in the world. Oh my goodness me, it's huge. I mean, that could be a trillionaire in the future. My goodness me. So the last movement was just 2 days ago. Small movement of there, like a little micropayment coming out from it. BSV data. So we've got Metro ID producing 7.1. I think it's come down a little bit. Applications, just quickly. Daily data size. Yep, Showbuzz 2.9 gigabytes. Still massive. Really X up there. Twitch not far behind. Durodogs, Peer Games, Uniswap, good. I'll have to have a look to see what Uniswap's doing. TDXP app, good stuff, good stuff. Trends.cash, yep, so apps ranking by money spent. TDXP app, macking it hard. Apps ranking by performed actions, that's crypto fights. Crypto Quant, look at that. So the black line is the price. You can see that massive dip there. I'm sort of following the exchanges. They're all cashing out. They're all cashing out. They know it's a piece of garbage. It's only pumped by Tether. I bet Tether will be printing more dollars soon, trying to get the price up. Oh dear. They're desperate to suppress the price of BSV. That's all they want. Because once BSV's price starts to move, you get price discovery. And then people realize you can actually use it as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, as Bitcoin was designed to be. The morning run. Oh, not a lot of purchases here. 114,748 purchases over the last 24 hours. Good buy price. Oh my goodness me. Goodness me. CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it this morning with this price crash? 77% still feeling good. Loving that. Let's have a look at this. Look at that. We did 24 hours. God, that price has gone right down. That's gone right down. Let's have a look at the depth chart quickly. Oh, more buyers coming in than sellers. Sellers are running scared. All the buyers are coming in. Look at this. But again, this can change in an instant, but we're just looking at a snapshot right now. There are more buyers than sellers. Price is on its way up. Let's have a look at Bittrex. I mean, look at all these positive price movements. Look at all these candles heading northwards. Look, this is an artificial manipulation. And again, there is nobody who supports BSV that is selling it. There is nobody dumping it on these exchanges because everybody uses TDXP app. Or it's now DXS app. So remember, dirty traders can be unsullied on DXS app because you're not actually dumping the asset itself. It's a derivative that you're trading. I mean, this is just simply the only people who would sell BSV knowing how much value it's got are those people who can just simply print money. And they've clearly probably got bags of BSV. They've been mining it, whatever. They're desperate to suppress it. And that's all they can do. That's literally all they can do. Let's zoom in on this a bit more. 4-hour chart. Look, price still on its way down. Let's have a look at 2 hours. Oh, still on its way down. 30-minute chart. Ooh, oh, it's still got just a little bit of green, just gone up there. Wow. Let's have a look at BSV versus Coolcoin BTC. Oh, look at that. So, this is on a 30-minute chart, so the price has still gone down, but BSV now going up in comparison to Coolcoin. Coolcoin BTC still on its way down in comparison. Oh my goodness me. Let's have a look at the Coinbase stock price. $58. Look, down 82% from where it started. Oh my goodness me. Again, the owners, they knew it. That's why they all sold out the moment they IPO. I knew it was a rug pull, but obviously those people who bought in had no clue, just taking advantage of what they were doing. They know that their time is up very soon because they know the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin is BSV, and they're not listing it. They're listing all these security offerings, and they know it. Let's have a look at Silverfish. We've got our 958 views on that so far. Great stuff. Check this out. So Watcher.guru just said, just in, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin investment, that's BTC Core Coin, is now at a $330 million loss. Oh my goodness me. Curtis said here, Michael Saylor lost more money than anyone else in the dot-com crash. He ended up having to pay fines and restitution for the fraud that kept MicroStrategy from going under. Now he's close to being the biggest single loser in the BTC bubble because he learnt nothing. Like, dear oh dear, I'm trying not to laugh. Oh my goodness. So remember, in order to have a sovereignty, we must have a money that is used by the people to create government for the people, or we will simply end up with a government that creates worthless fiat currency to control the people. And a digital commodity that is the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin needs a fixed supply, economic competition, which is proof of work, a locked protocol so anyone and everyone can use it, infinite scale so anyone and everyone can use it at the same time with the uncapped block size, and a chain of signatures for common accountability. And the only protocol that has this is the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, which is BSV. Right, we'll leave it there, peeps. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.